Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today morning I said Monday it was auto stocks, consumer durables. Tuesday it was Reliance. Wednesday it was IT stocks. And today I said, probably the Bank Nifty may catch up. In the recent past, the Bank Nifty has underperformed. So there is an expectation that the Bank Nifty may catch up. In fact, that was the case in the first half of the session. The Bank Nifty has shot up more than 200 points. But what happened sometime during the middle of the trading session, the SEBI chairman's speech, regarding encouraging the longer term equity derivatives, so that implies that, the SEBI may be doing something against the short-term derivatives. In fact, there was a report that said, the broker suggested to SEBI that to do away with the weekly option and keep only the monthly options. So this weekly option, I said many times, in US market, they have everyday option, but still there is no problem in US. And that market is functioning very well. And you need not worry about the gamblers. The gamblers will always be gamblers. You close one door for the gamblers, they'll be going to the other door. So, you stop them from gambling in weekly options, but you think that they will not gamble in the monthly options? So anyway, gamblers are gamblers, So we have to just ignore them and look for the positive side of the market. And the people sometimes, for my longer dated options, I do hedge in the shorter term options. So, that all will become very, very difficult. So once this news came, all the stock market related stocks like BSE, Angel One, they all have fallen 5 to 8%. And that dented the sentiment. So that triggered, already the market is going higher because of the domestic institutions' full support. But FIIs still continue to sell. So when this kind of news comes, it is an opportunity for the traders also to book the profits. And moreover, European markets are okay, but US futures are still lower. But again, we have not been following the global markets for the last many weeks or months also. But that was not the real reason. So probably the profit booking higher. 2 times the market came down a little bit, then both time it was bought into, but in the last half an hour, 1 hour, the market fell. Positive thing is that the Nifty has closed above 25,000. And I said yesterday the 25,000 put had the highest open interest yesterday and today, so that has gone to zero easily. However, the negative thing is that people thought today Nifty will close about 25,100. Why 25,100 is very important? As I told you, as per some technical analysis which I am doing, I am following, if Nifty closes about 25,105, the Nifty becomes technically long. Today, for most part of the day, the Nifty was trading above that level. But in the last half an hour, 1 hour selling, then the markets came down, Nifty closed below that. So that's a negative. So positive thing is that it has closed above 25,000. Negative thing that it has closed below 25,105. Who knows if US market stabilizes tonight, if tomorrow, if the global cues are good, today if FII selling is not very big, maybe tomorrow we can close about 25,105. But anyway, for the last 5-6 continuous trading sessions, we were moving higher. And as I told you, on a week-to-week basis, expiry week, Thursday to Thursday, the market has closed positive. So tomorrow also, I don't think that US is going to fall very big today. I think most of the fall has already happened. Most of the negatives have already been factored in. And now the people will be focusing on Jackson Hole Summit. But I don't think that, anything is going to come out of that Jackson Hole meet in US. Even in monthly options, 25,000 put option. People have sold aggressively. So looks like it's going to be 25,000 to 25,500 game for the next 4 trading session, because there's one public holiday next Wednesday. So therefore we have only 4 more trading session for next week. So anyway, this heavy week, because of the Prime Minister's announcement regarding the GST reject. So this week was a very, very eventful week. And in all the 5 trading sessions, Nifty moved higher. So it has come to an end. So we will do more analysis tonight and we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.